too. He's got a collection of headphones, and so I'm excited to hear from our next company, phaz, that is bringing a really unique twist to the headphone market. So, David.
Thank you. One moment. Pay no attention to the man over here in the corner.
Right, it's a huge and growing market. Apple, what did they pay for Beats? They over $1 billion?
Yeah.
1.5. Yes. One player in the market.
Okay, how is everyone?
Right.
Headphones. Lots going on in the headphone space. When we look out in the industry right now, the headphone space is dominated right now by one player called Beats with $1 billion in revenue right now. And all of the industry competitors are chasing after Beats, building headphones. And they're all using the exact same technology, the little round plug and wire that sticks into the hole on your associated phone like so that you can listen to music, yes? But what if we could do it completely differently and no longer have to use this kind of a cable anymore? We all have the data charge ports right on our phones, and the data charge ports are capable of so much better audio, digital audio. And now what we're able to do is plug directly into these data charge ports and plug directly with a USB cable directly into the headphone. And a little bit of magic happens when we sit there and listen. Y'all heard that little beep? The headphone now, because it's plugged into the charge port to listen digitally with unbelievable uptick in sound quality, the headphone is also sending a charge signal back into the phone. So the phone is charging while we're listening to music. So that's just one of the cool attributes and the changes and technologies that are going on in headphones. And phaz owns the patents on headphones that charge your phone while you listen to music. Where is the
clicker?
So the future of the industry is digital headphones that charge your phone while you listen to music. And that is a really big deal. So what I'd like to say first before we get started is, you're welcome. So let's take a look at the industry for just a second. Right now, the US headphone market, $2.9 billion today, slated to grow through $4.4 billion in 2020. Double-digit growth, 10 to 14% year over year. It's a whole bunch of fantastic brands that many of us are all familiar with. A sea of brands, really. They're all chasing a single player today, Beats, with 32+% market share. The US headphone market is literally in this situation today, creating a total saturation of Me Too products. All of these products are driving down the ASPs. All of these products are driving down profits. It's another category of consumer electronics that's racing to zero with literally no innovation incorporated into it, creating this sea of sameness in all the products that are available out in the market today. This has created this industry that is totally ripe for disruption, to bring new technology to it and completely take it in a whole new direction. So who we are. We're a team of consumer electronics executives with decades of experience designing, manufacturing, bringing to market, and selling consumer electronics accessories for multiple brands. What we do, we analyze the market to find high sales volume products like the headphone industry with strong year-over-year sales growth that are poised for disruption. All because they're utilizing legacy technology. So we develop, patent, and leverage new technologies and utilize existing tech to modernize products, increase performance, and completely change the consumer value proposition. Today, when we look out at the industry, the whole industry is driven by these mobile devices. And these mobile devices, the headphones that attach to them, they're all based in this old school legacy analog technology. But all these mobile devices, they're all brand new, digital, very high tech, very capable. It's time for the headphones to shift and move into the digital arena. So the scoop. Apple and Android developed operating systems that allow you to plug into the data charge ports and pull the digital music right out of the phone. We were first to develop a suite of headphones that could plug into that port, take advantage of that new opportunity, and deliver a fantastic sound quality and create this digital headphone arena. So today, the future is this digital headphone concept. We own the patents on headphones that charge your phone while you listen to music, and we can boost your phone up to 70% while you're listening to music. We utilize high-resolution D-to-A converters. They create fantastic sound quality. We have our own proprietary high-definition audio amplifier with an active bass boost button so that you can push a button on the side of the phone and literally drive your experience through the roof. We also have the ability now, new technology, because it's in this digital mode, where you can listen to movies and video games in full surround sound now. So who would see any advantage in being able to do that? Excuse me for 1 second.
Finally enjoy your movies.
Exactly. So now at the push of a button, because we're in the digital domain, you can listen to full surround sound movies or full video gaming experiences. You've never been able to do that before. And what about wireless? Well, if we're plugged in to the data charge port and we're charging the phone and listening, our headphones give you the option to detach the cable, turn on Bluetooth, and listen to everything completely wirelessly as well. So it's really two headphones incorporated into one headphone experience. So let's take a look at some of the products. We offer the Z1 is our digital earbud. Digital in that it'll plug right into that data charge port, whether you're on an Android phone, whether you're on an Apple phone, give you a fantastic digital experience. Now, and then we can do this completely wirelessly as well with our W1. No wires between them, just two earbuds, one in each ear, full digital experience. When we can start to look at some of the over-ear pieces, the wired digital headphone, our P2. So you've got that wire plugged into that data charge port, but it's also charge your phone while you listen to music. Then we can look at the P3. It's got that wired and wireless option. So you can be wired, or you can disconnect the wire and have a full wireless experience. And then we can get into the P5, which is here. This is our flagship piece. Now we're looking at active noise cancellation technology in conjunction with the DSP for movies and gaming, surround sound, and of course, charge while you listen technology as well. So everything in a single unit. And if you want to disconnect the wire and be completely wireless, you can do that as well. So Wired Magazine, the coolest gear we've seen at CES so far. Sound and Vision. Phase headphones solve the digital dilemma. The awesomer. These headphones incorporate 24-bit, 192 kilohertz, D-to-A converter and amplifier for awesome sound when plugged into the data charge port. GQ magazine. The new generation is ready to connect to the Lightning port, which means you can also charge your phone while you listen. So we've been able to acquire some great press. USA Today, 5 tech gadgets that everybody will own in the next 5 years. Headphones that charge your phone while you listen to music. Awards, we're getting them left and right. The summary is, all these products are developed now. All the retail packaging. Show you.